Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about types of subordinate clauses. There are three types of subordinate clauses: adjectival clause, adverb clause, and noun clause. Before proceeding to our topic, let's recall what is a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause has a subject, noun, and a finite verb, which is called predicate. It depends on independent clause and has a subordinate conjunction. The number one type of subordinate clause is adjective clause. An adjective clause is a clause that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun in a complex sentence. It begins with who, whose, whom, which, that, what, where, or whoever. Please learn these words. It will help you to identify the clause. Most of the time, the adjectival clause answers us the question which. Now let's do some examples. The hat, which is blue, belongs to me. Now the hat is a noun and we are giving the more information about this hat, that which is blue. What is blue? The hat. So you see, which is blue is a clause which starts with a conjunction which. Number 2, the cake that my mother baked was delicious. Now here the subject is the cake, and that my mother baked is giving us more information about the cake, and it is giving us answer which cake. So that my mother baked is the adjectival clause. The game which we played yesterday ended in a tie. Now we are talking about the game which we played yesterday is our adjectival clause. You see, this is beginning with a conjunction which. Now I visited the place where Ertugrul is buried. Now I visited the place. The place is a noun here, and where Ertugrul is buried is giving us answer which place I visited. Do you know the man whose car is lost? Whose car is lost? Now we are talking about the man. Which man? The man whose car is lost. The leader whom we elected is very honest. So the leader is a subject and whom we elected is giving us more information about the leader. So here we are getting the answer which leader. So did you notice the thing that the adjectival clauses are beginning with the word which, that, where, whose, whom, and they are giving us more information about the noun. The second type of subordinate clause is adverb clause. An adverb clause is a clause that modifies or describes the verb in a complex sentence. In adjectival clause, we learn that adjectival clause tells us about the noun and adverb clause tells us about the verb. It begins with a wide burst conjunctions. I hope you remember these conjunctions. Now, adverb clause answers us when, where, how, why, or how much. Let's do some examples. The arrive is a simple sentence. Now we want to convert this simple sentence into a subordinate clause. So we need a subordinate conjunction. Here we have added whenever. So whenever they arrive, I will be waiting for them. The first clause is a dependent clause because this is beginning with a conjunction. And the second one is an independent clause, and it is giving us answer when. So it is an adverbial clause. Now let's see each example. I studied hard is a simple sentence, and we want to convert this sentence into a subordinate clause. So we need a subordinate conjunction. Here we added because I studied hard. Now I passed the exam because I studied hard. The first I passed the exam is an independent clause, and because I studied hard is a dependent clause because it is beginning with a subordinate conjunction. With the help of this example, you will be able to understand the difference between an adjective clause and an adverb clause. Now, the adjective clause begins with a relative pronoun who, whose, whom, which, that. And these clauses answers us which. An adverbial clause begins with conjunction, subordinate conjunction, a white verse, and it answers why, when, where, how many, or how much. Okay, now the noun clause is a subordinate clause that acts like a noun, or it acts like a subject or an object. It begins with how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, and why. And the noun clauses answered us what. Here are some examples of noun clause. On Sunday we can do it. On Sunday is an adverb. We subject. Can is modal verb. Do is main verb. It is object. Now we can replace this object with whatever we want. Whatever we want is a group of words having a verb, want, and having a subordinate conjunction, whatever. So a group of words with a finite verb and subordinate conjunction is a clause. Now we have to identify that which clause is this. We will see it is answering what. It is giving us the answer of what. What do we like? So this is a noun clause. Now any root is fine with me. Any root is a subject. Now we will replace this any root with whichever root you pick. Now you pick is a verb here. A group of words with a verb and with a conjunction, with a subordinate conjunction, whichever. Now let's see which clause is this. Is fine with me. What is fine with me? Whichever root you pick is fine with me. So you see this clause is giving us answer of what. Now let's see the third example. I expect to get first prize. Now I expect to get first prize. Instead of this, I will write I expect that I shall win first prize. Now I shall is a verb here. I shall win is a verb here. And this is beginning with the conjunction that. I expect what? This clause is giving us answer of what. So this is a noun clause. Okay students, this is a quiz time. I hope after this discussion you will be able to attempt this quiz easily. You have to identify the type of subordinate clause. Read these sentences carefully and identify the subordinate clause and then identify the type of this subordinate clause. You can pause the video here and solve the exercise. Let's check your answers. Number 1. When Ahmed moved to United States. Now you see, we can find a subordinate conjunction there. So it means that this is a subordinate clause. Now we have to identify that which clause is this. This is beginning with when. And it is giving us answer of when. When Ahmed moved to United States. So this is an adverbial clause. Now before the game is again a subordinate clause, and this is beginning with subordinate conjunction before, and the adverbial clauses begin with a white verse or before. So this is an adverbial clause. Number 3, we didn't get to have any free time. This is an independent clause. So we will proceed to next clause. Because the class was so noisy. Now we can see a conjunction, a subordinate conjunction, because there. So this is a subordinate clause, and this clause is beginning with because, which is a white verse. So this is an adverbial clause. Now I haven't gotten any allowance since I'm feeling math. The first one is not having a subordinate conjunction, so this is an independent clause, and the next one is beginning with since. And since is again a white verse, so this is an adverbial clause. I have the best friend who loves to decorate birthday cakes. Now the first clause is independent clause and who loves decorate birthday cakes is a subordinate clause, and it is giving us answer. I have which friend? A friend who loves to decorate. This is relative pronoun. Remember, the adjectival clauses contain relative pronoun. So this is an adjectival clause. Now, I know what you did last summer. Now, I know is a clause, subject, predicate. This is an independent clause. What you did last summer? What you did last summer is giving us answer what I know. And noun clause is giving us answer of what. Now, whoever finishes first can pick 2 pieces of candy. Whoever finishes first, this is one clause, can pick 2 pieces of candy is this next clause. Now, whoever is a white bus is an adverbial clause. The book that we read, the book is a noun, that is a relative pronoun. We read. Now, this is the book that we read is giving us information which book. So this is an adjectival clause. Okay students, this is time to say goodbye and good luck. I hope this topic is clear to you. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you.